10 biggest health benefits of eating fermented foods. Did you know that there's a superfood category that can provide you with numerous health benefits, all while being delicious and versatile? That's right, fermented foods are nature's secret weapon when it comes to overall health and wellness. In this video, we'll explore the 10 biggest health benefits of incorporating fermented foods into your diet. First up, let's talk about probiotics. Fermented foods are packed with these friendly bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut flora. A balanced gut microbiome can improve digestion, boost immunity, and even support mental health. Say goodbye to digestive discomfort and hello to a happier tummy. Next, we have the incredible nutrient boost these foods provide. Fermentation not only preserves the nutrients in food but also increases their bioavailability. This makes it easier for your body to absorb essential vitamins and minerals. Say hello to a more nourished body with every serving of fermented food. Fermented foods are also an excellent source of essential amino acids. Proteins in fermented foods are often broken down into amino acids during the fermentation process, making them easier for your body to absorb and utilize. This means you can enjoy improved muscle function, a stronger immune system, and better overall health. Did you know that fermented foods can help you detoxify your body? Certain harmful substances, like heavy metals and pesticides, can be neutralized by the good bacteria found in fermented foods. This means that regularly consuming these foods can help cleanse your body of toxins and keep you feeling your best. Now, let's talk about heart health. Fermented foods have been shown to help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They can also help regulate blood pressure, making them a heart-healthy addition to any diet. Moving on, we have the incredible immune-boosting properties of fermented foods. The probiotics in these foods can help increase the production of antibodies, which help your body fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. This means a stronger immune system and fewer sick days for you. Fermented foods are also an excellent source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps keep you regular, reduces the risk of colon cancer, and even aids in weight management. So go ahead and enjoy that extra serving of sauerkraut or kimchi. Speaking of weight management, fermented foods can also help you maintain a healthy weight. They can help regulate your appetite and reduce cravings, making it easier to stick to a balanced diet. Plus, the high fiber content of these foods can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Fermented foods are also great for your skin. The probiotics in these foods can help reduce inflammation and promote a healthy skin barrier, resulting in a clearer complexion and fewer breakouts. So go ahead and enjoy that kombucha for glowing skin from within. Finally, let's talk about mental health. The gut is often referred to as the second brain, and there is a strong connection between gut health and mental well-being. Consuming fermented foods can help improve your mood, reduce anxiety, and even alleviate symptoms of depression. In conclusion, incorporating fermented foods into your diet can provide numerous health benefits, from improved digestion to better mental health. So why not start experimenting with these delicious, nutrient-packed superfoods today? Your body will thank you for it. Don't forget to subscribe.